Guys, it's me Lee and welcome back to another video. In the previous video I backed this book, and before we do anything else I just wanted to let you know that the paper here underneath this bit kept coming off. The sellotape wasn't sticking. I think it's because of the glitter on the paper. So what I did was, I don't know if you can see here, I got some double-sided tape, and it's thick double-sided tape, so I put that on and it stuck miles better. And then it also, if you leave it overlapping slightly, when you press your book down then open it back up, it pulls this page with you, so you have a nice tidy page for when you start your folding section. So I just thought I'd let you know that, so just in case you get like a glittery paper or this weird texture kind of paper, because that's what this is as well. It's got a texture to it and dints and stuff, so just in case that you're struggling, there's an idea for you. And this is the double-sided tape I used. It's not thick either, so it's quite thin. Okay, so you will need a book, so I'll just move that out of the way. You will need a bone fold. You can get different ones, but this one I recommend. It's my favourite kind that I've ever had. You will need either a long ruler. If you're doing it a different way to what I'm doing, I would recommend doing it my way, but if you're measuring and marking the pages, you will need a big ruler and a pen or a pencil. I won't be using this though. I will be using this, which is just a piece of cardboard and a paper ruler that I printed off, and then I sellotaped onto here, and then, you know, sellotaped all the way up. This is, let's have a look, 15 centimeters wide, so that when you stick it in your book, most books, not all books, when you put it in, it overlaps, so that when you're folding your pages, if I just show you here, so you've put it under a couple of pages, line it up, and then you can literally just say it's there, you can grab it and you can fold it, and then you use your bone fold and go down. So that's how I will be doing it. So I'm using that. So it's a book, pre-made ruler, paper cardboard ruler, a little ruler just to help you line your pages, a book fold, big ruler, and a pen if you're not doing it with this. I will show you both ways to do it. And you will also need your book folding pattern, which I am doing this one. I made this pattern myself when I used to be Bling My Thing, but now I'm obviously Unicorn Fairy. But I have a folder on my Facebook page where I have all these in case you people wanted to buy them, because I do sell them on eBay. Not particularly this one, but I'm making this, and I think it's a Batman one I'm making as well. For a charity event for my son's home education group, to try and raise money, because they help people with autism and stuff, so it's a worthy cause to me anyway. So yeah, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to start and get most of the book done, and then I will come back. But before I do, I forgot to mention, you will also need an elastic band or something, so that when you're folding your pages you can hold it down so it doesn't get in your way. This one isn't big enough, so I'm gonna have to struggle because I can't find my really long one, because it's been a while since I've done these things. But yeah, I will be back near the end. Now I'm back, guys, and I've just got these last couple here to do, and I just need to bring you down. So there's two ways to do this. So let's go on here. On here, got 7.3. Oh wait, no, so you got 7.3 and 8.3 on page 319. So what you can do is, if you didn't have one of these, you can get your ruler, and obviously on the centimetre side you can put it on, and get your pen, and then it's 7.3, so we got 7, 1, 2, 3, and then you put a line, and then we got 8.3, so we got 8, 1, 2, 3. So the lines are on there, and then obviously you try and do it a bit differently.
So you put your lines. Most people I know sit there and write out, do every single page like this, and then they will get their little ruler and they will line it up and fold it over, and then you use your bone fold, and if it overlaps slightly in the end here, just pull it over and fold it, and then you get the other side and you fold it over. I don't particularly like this one because sometimes you can see where you've written the words and stuff, you know, where you've written the lines, where you put the lines on the paper. Sometimes when you do it, if your pen or pencil's too big, you can see it underneath. So I'm actually using a paint thing to try and keep my pages down, by the way. So yeah, so I'm going to do it my way because I like my way. So I'm going to just put my ruler underneath, and that's rolling down. And then I'm using, no, I don't need the pen now, I'm going to use my silver ruler to line, so I don't, you know, get the wrong one. So now I'm on this one, and that's what I'll be doing all the way down until I'm done. So I'm on page 321, so I'm just going to come down a bit more so you can see what I'm doing. So I'm sorry, I've got a bad throat today, so we're going to go here. So it's 7.9, hopefully you can see that. So 7, there's 5, 7.5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we've got to line them up, fold it over, and then move it over to the 8.5. Next one. My niece is being helpful and holding the pages as well because the thing keeps slipping down now. You can probably hear my son's game in the background. He's trying to be quiet. We'll see how long that lasts. Sorry about that. I did say this video was going to be in 3 parts, but it's actually going to be in 4 parts because I'm going to show you how to do the bow that I make, and then obviously how to wrap the book and stuff, so it's presentable, like if you're going to give it as a gift or something to someone. Oh, that was a bit far. 7.3. Oh no, that's right. And 7.4 is right up next to this one. Sorry. 8.5. 10.8, 11.3. I also think doing it this way that I'm doing it, it takes less time because instead of having to mark out all the pages before you fold them, you can just fold them as you're going through. So it saves a lot of time. Couple more numbers to go. .9. 9.6. 10.5. That was my son. 11. 7.6 this time. I think this bit's doing his tail. Couple more pages and we'll be done, and then we'll be on to the next step. Nine 9.8. 10.6. .1. 10.2. Just move that a minute. Right, so these pages here, there's a couple left over. We're going to do what sometimes in one of my patterns, or in any other person's patterns that you get, they do, they have a thing that says half fold. So I'm going to show you what that is whilst we're here. So a half fold is you get your piece of paper and you pull it right over until it can't fold anymore down this corner here. I did rip loads of pages out because there was too many. So you just fold it right over and then come down. And then you do the same on the other side. Come across, and then you fold it over here, tuck it into the spine, and then fold it over. And you do that on all of these pages, because obviously you don't want them overlapping. I think there was only a couple here. And this just hides them from the rest of the design when you're doing it. And this is the last one. Okay, so just lift this book back, this stand back up, and you get it, and there is your design. Mickey and Minnie kissing. It does look better when you have it stood up, but I will obviously put pictures and stuff on my Facebook page once it's all set up. So I will show you how to do the bow first, and then I will in another video, and then I will show you how to wrap it, how I wrap it anyway. So I will be back with another video, and I hope to see you again soon. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe, and I hope to see you soon. Bye. Thank you for watching.